Yeah, quite characteristic features. There are white patches on the sclerotic coat and conjunctival dryness, not able to see in the dark, and there are multiple episodes of pneumonia and diarrhea. So pneumonia, diarrhea, mucosal infections. There are visible uh, eye symptoms that you see, which are very specific for a deficiency of vitamin A. Nothing much to explain. Vitamin B1 deficiency will have your Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. It will have ophthalmoplegia. It will have ataxia, confusion of sorts. Then your spinocerebellar ataxia is an autosomal dominant disorder, so it will not develop at this late an age. It will be already present in quite a young child. Uh, then there's autoimmune neutropenia, which will present with febrile diseases, neutropenic febrile diseases. It will not present with these eye symptoms. And then there's a congenital rubella, which will present with a congenital cataract, which is not seen here.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.